Meredith says today is going to be a great day for golfers. Saturday might be a little rough. You have, in fact, issued an alert day because of wet weather. Tell us more, Meredith.
Thanks, guys. Good morning. It is a beautiful morning here in Muirfield. I can tell you the sunrise was stunning, a little bit of a chill. And now it's time to get serious. The golfers are going to be teeing off shortly, and it's going to be a great 4 days of golf. Now, great 4 days of weather, that might actually be the question. So I want to go over the time weather impact forecast with you. Let's start off with those weather impact headlines. You can see that we are going to have the heat a factor again, at least for the next couple of days. But the rain and storm chances, I'm going to talk about that alert coming up in just a bit. But I do want to get to your forecast for today. If you're out at the tournament, maybe you're taking the kids to the pool. We have that UV index now up to a 9. That's very high. So just like yesterday, you want to keep reapplying that sunscreen, keep drinking plenty of fluids to stay hydrated because it gets warm pretty quick. As we go into the afternoon, you can see we'll already be into the 80s by 1, and then by later today, mid to upper 80s for us all across central Ohio. The Memorial Tournament forecast looks pretty good. Tomorrow there could be some wind, so that's something we'll have to watch for the players. And then Saturday we could have wind, but also wind in the form of a strong to severe storm. Here is what you need to know about the new weather impact alert. That is going to be a threat for Saturday afternoon and evening. Biggest concerns, damaging winds and hail, although you can't rule out an isolated tornado when you have one of these systems come through. The Storm Prediction Center earlier this morning actually put us under a level 2 out of 5 for Dublin on the severity scale, but for pretty much everybody here in central Ohio, there is a risk that some storms will be severe. Not every storm will be severe that develops, but with the potential you can see by late morning for some isolated showers and storms. That'll be more hit or miss for us. The bigger concern will be once the sun comes back out, the atmosphere destabilizes. We have that heat building in. You can see after 3 o'clock that we could start to see some storms fire up and then continue to be scattered across the region going into the evening. And as we know, it just takes one storm, and if that does develop here in Dublin, that could really have some last-minute rushes to get people indoors, especially if there's lightning with these storms. But you can see by Sunday morning, things do start to clear up for us. So you just need to know that we do have that 10 weather impact alert for the second half of your Saturday. Then as we move forward into the next week, though, things will stay hot and humid for us, but that storm chance again. We're keeping an eye on that mainly for Saturday, although we could still see some showers on Sunday for the final round of the tournament. But it's going to be a great day here, guys.